In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to infinite zoom out a photo with Gemini AI automatically. By the end, you'll have a simple single-file web app that takes your image and repeatedly zooms out from it, all on autopilot. First, open your Gemini account and sign in. If you're new, create an account so you can access the tools we'll use. Once you're in, head to Tools, then open Canvas. Canvas is where we'll paste a prompt that instructs Gemini to generate the entire app for us. Now enter the prompt. To save time, you can copy the full prompt from the video description and paste it into Canvas. The prompt tells Gemini to build a complete single-file HTML application called AI Zoom Out. It specifies a modern, dark theme built with Tailwind CSS and a clear two-column layout. A control panel on the left for uploading your image and selecting how many zoom-out iterations you want, from 1 to 10, and a gallery on the right that will display each generated step in sequence. It also asks for an image preview before generation, visible loading indicators so you know progress is happening, friendly error messages if an API call fails, and an option to view and download the final image when it's done. Most importantly, it instructs Gemini to use the Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview model in an iterative loop, where the first output is based on your original upload, and every subsequent step uses the previous image as input to create a seamless zoom-out effect. All JavaScript for file handling, state, and API calls should live inside that single HTML file. Let Gemini generate the app, then copy the output and save it as a single .html file on your computer. Open it in your browser to launch the app. In the left panel, upload your photo and confirm you can see the preview. Choose how many zoom-out steps you want. More steps produce a longer, smoother pullback, though it may take a bit more time. Click Generate to start. You'll see clear loading indicators as the app works through each iteration. The gallery on the right will fill in step by step, showing the expanding canvas as the model zooms out and redraws context around your original image. If you run into an error, the app will surface a message so you can retry, use a smaller image, or reduce the number of iterations. When it's finished, review the sequence and download the final image directly from the app. That's it. Open Gemini, use Canvas, paste the prompt from the description, create the app, then upload your photo and let it auto-zoom out for you.